Hi guys, if you are using a V380 CCTV camera, then this is how you can open the CCTV on your Windows PC. Now in order to use the V380 CCTV on Windows, we need an application. For that, open your Chrome browser and go to v380camera.com. I will also provide the link. Then click on download. And here you can download V380 CCTV Windows PC software. Let me download it. The file size is about 32 MB, so the download has been completed. So in folder, now open the zip file. And let's install this. You can extract it anyway, but I will directly install it. Okay. Next, I will create a desktop shortcut, next, and install. So this is done. I'll untick this launch V380 and finish. Now let me close this and close this all. Now here is the V380 app. Open this. This laptop has a 4K resolution, so let's match this up. I will close this for now and go to Properties. Click on Compatibility. Click on Change High DPI Settings and click on Override High DPI Scale Behavior. Choose System. OK. Apply and OK. Now in some cases you might have to restart your PC. Let me quickly refresh it. Open the app. So it looks alright. And then log in with your V380 account. And here is the interface. If you click here, you will find all the devices. Double click on the CCTV ID. And here is the CCTV. This is how it looks. It's a little dark here, that's why it is looking like this. Anyway, if you go on settings here, then you can also specify and choose where you want to save your recordings or screenshots. I will also enable loop recording. I see. So this is done. After that, go back to your home and you can see this live video here. And you can take a photo and it will be saved there. Or you can do your recordings. With the loop settings, we assume that it can be recorded indefinitely. The video will be recorded and you can leave this if you do not have any SSD card. I'll just pause this for now. And if you go to settings, so this is the location it's saved. Let me open the folder. So the folder is empty as I opened a screenshot folder. Anyway, go back to V380 and you'll find the record folder here. Open it. And here is the video recordings. And you can use it as you want. Thank you very much.